Here we are on this bridge. That's still an old bridge that we came across on. Well, that water is clear. That's a couple feet down right there. Well, guy was just telling us, pulled through here on a vet. He was just telling us past that tree out in the middle there is his swimming hole. He says deep there. He says he comes out here and goes swimming all the time. I bet this would be a cool place to take everybody and go swimming. We're gonna have to get off this bridge. But y'all keep checking back with us. We'll be back on later.
West, and there will be great certainty on the tax side. And then the third side is deregulation. And I think really,
This is the bridge. It's in one of our videos. Nice creek down there. Wish I could video it all the way across. I'm afraid some traffic's gonna come along.